There are infrastructures that exist only within the delicate pulse of your willingness. They cannot be forced. They respond only to the soft architectures of trust. You are not here to build trust. You are here to restore it, to let it unfold as a living signal, one that never needed to be taught, only remembered. Trust is not a belief. It is a frequency circuit that holds the body in place when the mind dissolves. This is why so many lose their signal when their certainty collapses. They mistake the fall of concept for the end of coherence. But you are called to remain, to let go of certainty and still remain coherent, to be undressed of knowing and still emit a frequency that builds worlds. This is the soft work, the unseen transmission, the sacred circuitry of receptivity. You are not transmitting what you know. You are transmitting what you allow. This is what makes you trustworthy to those who remember how to receive. And this is what makes the next lineage possible.